So I'll terminate this one first, because then you won't get confused once you've got your sleeving on. So you always know that this one is your switch wire going down to the switch. And then this one is your live coming in. And what I'll do first on a ceiling rose is get your earths formed in there nice and neat into the earth block. And you can measure off the other ones that go into these terminals. And we've got 3 sections of terminals on here. So we want the neutral to go into the one at the end, the far end 3 blocks, because that'll be your neutral block. And then your live coming in from the board